ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Perfect Laser. Our live show will begin now. I'm today's host, Bella. First, it's my great honor to take this opportunity to introduce Perfect Laser to you. Perfect Laser is a professional manufacturer of laser and CNC equipment since 1995. Till now, we have more than 20 years history in the laser field. All of our machines have got CE, ISO, ROLL certificate, and certified by the International Inspection Institute, such as TUV and SGS. And we have got 63 national patents. The core technical achievement can reach the international professional level. As the result, our products have been exported to more than 180 countries and areas all over the world, including Germany, Japan, Russia, Brazil, UAE, and many other countries. And we have enjoyed very good reputations and feedbacks from our customers. And we have got a very talented team. 95% of our teammates are bachelor or master degree, so we can provide 2 hours quick response and 24 hours after service to all of our customers. And our goal is very simple: to sell the high-value products at a very good prices and to provide the professional and reliable customer service to you. Okay, hello, Abalo. Hello, my dear friend. Welcome to our live show. And today I'm going to introduce our CO2 laser engraving and cutting machine, and also the 3D crystal engraving machine for all of you. Okay, Mustafa. Hello, everybody. Hello, Catherine. Hi, everybody. Welcome to our live show. Okay, now let's begin our discussions. Okay, at first you can see the photo behind me is the complete building of our complete building with the complete gate. And this is our complete gate. So we welcome all of our customers to visit our visit our factory anytime at your convenience. Okay. And so today, at first, I'm going to introduce our CO2 laser engraving and cutting machine. As you can see here, we have many different types of the CO2 laser engraving and cutting machine. Okay, so for the CO2 laser engraving and cutting machine, they are widely used for many non-metal material. Yeah, non-metal materials. Okay, so you can see the first model for PE40B. This model. This is a rubber stamper model. Yeah, and for the 6040, this model, and 6040A, 6040, 9060, and 130 and 90 model. And all of those models, yeah, now you can see all of them are CO2 laser and engraving cutting machine, but with different working area. Yeah, so you can choose different working area based on your own request. Yeah, yeah, all of those. And also for the 130, 92 model. Yeah, this 2 model, it has 2 cutting head, yeah, to engrave the cutting head. And for this model, yeah, you can see it has another extra material feeding system, yeah, so that it can feed the materials automatically with this design. Yeah. And for this 130, 180, this kind of model, they are you can see from the structure that, yeah, this is a flat bed, yeah, flat bed model. Okay. And for this model, PEDK 1212D, for this model, it's mainly used for cutting jeans. Yeah, jeans. Okay. So you can see there are many different kind of machines here. Yeah. So if you are in need of any request of the CO2 or laser engraving cutting machine, you can contact us. Yeah. So and also you can tell us your request in detail. Then we can suggest the suitable models for you. Okay. Hello, Chris. Welcome. And hello, Michael. Wow. From China. So my dear friend, during today's live show, yeah, if you are interested in what kind of machines and any kind of machines we're talking about, yeah, you can contact me directly. Yeah, so if you contact us today into this live show, and later will place order over $7,000, you can enjoy a discount of $100. Okay. And well, if you place order over $3,000, you can enjoy a $50 discount. Yeah, so today it's really a very good chance to contact us in today's live show. Yeah, so later you can enjoy the discount, and also we can provide you a longer warranty time. Yeah, so normally for the 12 months warranty time, yeah, for normally, and while in today's live show, I can provide you a 24 months warranty time. Okay, only in today's live show. So my dear friend, it's really a very good chance to contact us in today's live show. Okay. Yeah, and also my dear friend, if you are still watching our live show, so please remember to follow us, yeah, by clicking the follow button there. There is a follow button. It's upside your mobile phone. Okay, you can find the follow button there. Yeah, this is the follow button. Okay, so please click it and subscribe our channel so that you can find us very easily next time. And so in the near future, we will hold some big live shows, and also at that time, you can see all of those machines I'm talking about today, and some other machines. Yeah, in the near future we will hold some the other live shows. So at that time you can see the real machines works on the real samples. Yeah. Yeah, and also at that time we will also prepare some attractive promotion policy to all of you, and also provide a very special gifts for all of you. Okay, so please remember to follow us. Okay, and also please give us the likes at the same time. You can find the like button. It's it's on your right side. Yeah, on the right side of your mobile phone. Okay, you can find a like button there. So please keep clicking all the time. Thanks very much for your support. Okay, so yeah, at first I'm going to discuss this model, yeah, PEDK 130 and 90. So for this model, is a very hot selling model of our CO2 laser engraving cutting machine in our company. Okay, so from the outlook, you can see this model. It's entirely composed model. Yeah. So since everything is included in this machine. Yeah. Hi, my dear friend. Hello, Rahab. Yes. So you can see for this machine. Yeah. It works with another extra water chiller. In fact. Okay. So. And for this machine, you can see it's a fully covered machine. Yeah. So especially during the working of this machine, we need to cover the machine. Okay. And also you can see this cover. This can be open. Yeah. And then you can find the working table. Yes. So we put on the materials, yeah, objects on the working table, and also it will, and also for the engraving and cutting working. Yeah. So this is the outlook, and also the beside the on the top of the machine, you can find there is LCD screen panel, so we can operate on the panel directly, and also it has the USB port, so we can connect with the connect by the USB port, USB port, to transfer the files to the machine and to engrave and cutting what we want based on the files. Okay. And also you can find the two buttons there. One is the emergency button, and another one is the key button. So it's very this machine is very easy to operate. Only need to turn on these two buttons, and the machine will start working. Okay, now I would like to share the working video of this machine. Okay. Yeah, and also you can have a look about the machine structure. Well, so many pick them up. Yeah, this is a bicycle design. Yeah, this is a butterfly. Well, butterfly. Well, and also the rubber material. Okay, so just now through the working video, right? You can find there are many different kinds of materials can be cut and engraved by this machine. Yeah, so you can see some samples here, and also I've prepared some samples in my hand. Okay, so you can first you can see this is wood material. Yeah, so we can engrave our portrait and some other designs on the wood board. Abdallah, hi my dear friend, welcome. Okay, you can see this one. This is a portrait on the wood board. So this is done by the CO2 laser engraving and cutting machine. Yeah, do like this. So you can have your own portrait down. Yeah, I would like to show for you and for you. Yeah, so this is wood board. Okay. And yeah, through the video just now, right? You see the last one is the butterfly on the leather material. Yeah, I also have this is the leather material. Okay, so this leather also we can use it for the clothes, yeah, and also the shoes. Widely used, so you can widely used for the garment. Yeah, and this is the acrylic cutting. This is the acrylic. Yeah, and also this one. Yeah, this way. Yeah. So just now you see from the video, right? Many thumbs there. So this is I can see the thickness of this one. Yeah, in fact, it's very thick, very thick, very thick. And And another, this is also acrylic cutting. Wow. Yeah, this is a Chinese word. Yeah, this is a Chinese word, and it means happiness and wellness, everything, the good things. Yeah, every good things. So, especially for the Spring Festival, yeah, many Chinese people will use this kind of write this kind of word, yeah, have this kind of word, and put it on their home gate, yeah, home gate, a big Chinese happiness word. Every good things, yeah, it means every good things will coming and around us all the time. Best wishes, this is mean best wishes. Yeah, but also the on the paper, yeah, to make a card and wedding card, yeah, any card. Yeah, so you can open it. Well, just now you see from the working video, right? It cut in the yeah, it's a bicycle. This is also a wood material. So you can see all the cutting edges, yeah, cutting edges and cutting surface is very smooth. Yeah, it's very smooth, and you can touch it directly. So this way is exactly the same with the video. And also this is the bamboo material. Yeah, this is a bowl, the cover. On the cover and also on the bottom of the bowl. Yeah, this is a bamboo material. Okay, can make it. Yeah, it's a bowl, a very cute bowl. Yeah, and also so for the CO2 laser engraving cutting machine, it can cut all the parts, all of those small parts, yeah, on a board, yeah, and then we can take off those small parts and assemble what it designed. Yeah, so this is an airplane. So each part, it is small part, yeah. So all of those small parts are, each part are done by the CO2 laser engraving and the cutting machine. Yeah. So at last we assemble it like this. Yeah, it's very beautiful. This is an acrylic material. Yeah, so also we can use it for board, wood board material. Then make a wood board wall. And also for this one, you can see this is also the bamboo material. Yeah. Well, so many Chinese words there. Yeah, so this is ancient book, yeah, Chinese ancient book, Chinese characteristics. Yeah, so you can see a very complicated Chinese word design. Yeah, Well, the CO2 laser engraving cutting machine, it can work and it has a very good, clear, and obvious engraving on it. Yeah, so it's really very powerful. Okay, very good. Okay, so this is the bamboo. Okay. Hi, my dear friend. Welcome. Okay, so just now I've shown you many different kind of materials. Okay, and also you can have a look about this one. Well, this is a clothes. So you can see the design, the holes. Yeah, all those holes and flowers also are done by the CO2 laser engraving cutting machine. Yeah, you can see this hole, the flowers design. Yeah. Yes. So you can see that CO2 laser engraving cutting machine, it can work on the textile, right? Yeah, just now I'll show you the textile, and also the leather, right? The leather and the cloth, and also the jeans, yeah. Paper, just now I'll show you the paper, right? Silicone bracelet, yeah, bracelet, and the picture, the portrait, the photo, and also acrylic, yeah, acrylic, wood board, yeah, the rubber, plastic, baseball bat, label, and insole. Wow, so many different kinds of materials. Yeah, even all kinds of non-made materials. Nashmia. Hello, my dear friend. Yeah, so the CO2 laser engraving cutting machine is suitable for the fabric, cloth, leather, paper, wood, rubber plate, PVC board, acrylic, and any kind of, other kinds of non-metal materials with a very complicated and a complex design. Hello, Ellie. Yeah. And also it can engrave fabric, leather, and cloth in a very high speed. Okay. So since this machine, it can support both engraving and cutting. So let's have a look. What kind of materials can be supported by both engraving and cutting? Okay. So for example, the acrylic, MDF, wood, bamboo, PVC board, yeah, double color board, rubber, leather and fabric, cloth or for garment, paper, yeah, all of those can be engraving and cutting. Both, hi, dairy, hello. Yes, can be cutting. Well, for the glass, yeah, stone, marble, and the granite, yeah, for those kinds of materials, it can only available for engraving, but not available for cutting. Okay. Well, for metal materials, both engraving and cutting is not available by the CO2 laser engraving cutting machine. Yeah, so for metal, if you want to cut for metal materials, you need to metal materials. We would like to suggest another fiber laser cutting machines for you. Okay, fiber laser cutting machine for you for the metal materials. Okay. Hello, my dear friend Shanta. Hello, my dear friend. Yeah. Welcome to our live show. So if you are interested in the CO2 laser engraving cutting machine, and also you have any ideas and you have any questions you want to discuss and ask me, please feel free to type it and let me know anytime. Okay. For our PEDK 13090 CO2 laser engraving cutting machine, it's a very hard-selling model, accepted by our customers. The working area is 1,300 millimeters by 900 millimeters. Okay, the working area. And for this machine, it supports two kinds of working table. So one is for one is for some heavy and hard materials, and another one is for some relatively light and soft materials. Okay, and also you can choose both at the same time also. Okay. Now let's take a look about the details of this machine. Okay. This first part, you can see this is the linear guide rail. It has a very high speed and high precision, and also it has low noise and very long lifespan. Okay. So it can support the laser head, the laser head cutting and the engraving head moves on the linear guide rail, smoothly. Okay. And this is the laser power supply. It's inside of the machine, so it can supply the sufficient laser power to the laser tube with 5 years long time lifespan and with a very stable performance. Hello, Virgilio. Hello, Fan. Chinese friend. This Chinese friend. How can you have such a long name? Okay, and also for this machine, it works with an extra water chiller. So with this water chiller, you can see it has the temperature display function. So it will cooling and releasing the heat of the machine during the working process. So it will keep a certain and comfortable temperature for the machine, and also to make sure the stable working conditions and also the high accuracy and high precision of the working result. Okay. Hello, my dear friend, welcome. And also at the back side of this machine, it has a laser tube. So for the laser tube, the lifetime of the laser tube will be 10,000 hours. Okay, 10,000 hours. And also we use the Resi brand laser tube. Hello, Louis. Welcome. Okay. And for the laser tube, the power we can choose 60 watts, 80 watts, 100 watts, 130 watts, 150 watts, and 170 watts. Okay. Well, this is the meters and the lens. Okay. So we use the USA imported focus lens and reflector mirror. It has a very high efficiency and very steady. There is a very small part is the reflector mirror holder. So, when we change, especially when we change the laser tube, it will help us to find the right focal distance easily by this reflector mirror holder. Yeah, in fact, it's a very small part design, but it's very helpful and very useful during the working. And also for some other suppliers, they don't mention and they don't support this kind of function. Yes, and this is the stepper motor. Stepper motor. Okay, stepper motor. This is a driving control system, so it will drives the machine's movement. Yeah, and make sure the movement mechanism operates smoothly. Yeah, laser control card. This is the control card. Adapter reader laser control card. This is inside of the machine, and this is the pump, and this is the exhausting fan. Transforming belt. Yeah, for this transforming belt, it's including the and contains the metal materials in the rubber belt. So it's very tight, yeah, and not easy to lose after using even a long time using. Yeah, so since this machine is a relatively big machine, so with the wheels under the machine, it will help us to move the machine easily in all directions. And also when we need machines working for us, yeah, we can also fix and lock the wheels. Yeah, it's very convenient. Yeah, and also this is the protection key. So only when we use the key, we can open the door. So it's very safe. Yeah, and also we will put some notice and cautions on the machine. So when our customers use the machine, they can read and they can read the cautions and the notice easily. Yeah, this is a Taiwan-made all-screw rod. It has a high speed and a high precision with lower, very low noise and a very long time lifespan. It will help the laser head move smoothly and helps the laser beam reflect with a very high precision. Okay. Customized, this is customized working table. Yeah, working table. So for the working table, we have the honeycomb working table and also another thickened strip working table. Yeah. Okay, so let's take a look about this form and let us understand the cutting thickness on different materials. Okay. Hello, Joes. Yeah. So for example, the 40 watts, 40 watts power. So to cut the maximum cutting thickness for acrylic is 5 millimeters. Okay. And also for the MDF is 1 millimeter, and wood is 3 millimeters. Yeah, this is 40 watts. And PVC 2 millimeters. And the color board 2 millimeters. Well, yeah, and rubber, leather, cloth. Yeah, all those are 2 millimeters. And well, for 3 millimeters for the paper. Yeah, and 50 watts. You can see acrylic maximum cutting thickness will be 6 millimeters, and also MDF 2 millimeters. Well, wood board 5 millimeters, PVC board and color board, even rubber, leather, cloth, or 2 to 3 millimeters, and also paper can reach to 4 millimeters. Okay. Now let's take a look about some bigger power. For example, 100 watts. So the maximum cutting thickness for acrylic will can reach to 18 millimeters. And MDF 6 millimeters. Wood board 13 millimeters. Wow. And for the PVC board, double color board, both can cut for 8 millimeters. Yeah. The rubber for 5 millimeters. And the leather and the cloth can reach to 7 millimeters. And well, 8 millimeters for paper. Okay. So if you have any materials you want to cut or engrave, you can also let us know, and we can check the cutting thickness for you, okay, based on your request. So my dear friend, do you have any cutting and engraving requests? And are you interested in this kind of machine? Or do you have any questions you want to ask and you want to share with me? Okay, now everybody, let's take a look about the consumables. For this machine, it has the consumables include the laser tube. Yeah. So for the laser tube, the lifespan, lifetime of the laser tube is 10,000 hours. Okay. So, and also the warranty period for the laser tube is 10 months. Yeah, 10 months. The laser power can choose from 60 watts to 190 watts. So for 1 year using quantity, yeah, 1 year it either requires 1 to 2 pieces. Yeah, 1 to 2 pieces for a year. And another consumable is the reflect mirror. Okay, reflect mirror. So our reflect mirror, we use the USA imported. Okay, it has a high transparent rate and high efficiency, and also have a long lifespan. And for 1 year, using for 1 year, it request 3 to 6 pieces. Okay, for 1 year, 3 to 6 pieces. And also the focus lens will also imported from USA. So this imported material, and it can protect the laser beam. Okay, this is the focus lens. For 1 year using it will use 1 to 2 pieces. 1 to 2 pieces for the focus lens. Okay, this is the consumables. Okay. And also there are some optional items. Yeah, first one is the rotary fixture. So with the rotary fixture, there it can engrave on some bottle, some cylinder and bottle materials, and on the glass, on the bottle, or some cylinder objects. Okay. Hello, Paul. Hi. And also number 2 is the electric lifting platform. Okay. So with the lifting platform there, it can be advanced, higher or lower. Okay. So we need to cut or engrave on some very thick, some thick materials. So we need to lower the working material. So the distance between the object and the engrave and cutting head, the distance will be adjusted. Okay. So this one is the auto feeding and the rolling system. So it's especially used for automatic feeding the materials, such as a big roll of cloth. So we can put the clothes on this feeding and rolling system, and it can automatically feeding the materials to the machine, and then it will automatically cut and engrave on it. Well, another one is CCD camera for label edge cutting. Okay. Now let's have a comparison of this CO2 laser engraving machine, and let's discuss about the advantages of this machine. So first is the thickness of the body shell. Okay, so for this machine, it has a very thick body. Okay, very thick body, and so the thickness is 3 millimeters. 3 millimeters. So it's very safe, stable, and strong, and it will not get distorted even for a long time using. Okay. So all for other suppliers, in order to save the cost, the machine thickness is only 1.5 millimeters. So it will easily get deformed. After a short time using even. Okay. And also it will decrease the cutting precision at the same time for the thin machine body. Okay. And then number 2 is the working table. The working table, we use the US imported working platform, made of aluminum alloy, so it's very glossy. And also it has a very the loading capacity. It's very big loading capacity. Well, also for the other supplier, the platform is made of iron, and so it will get rusted, and the capacity, the loading capacity is not big, and also it will get deformation. Okay, so for the laser tube, the lifespan of our laser tube can reach to 10,000 hours. Okay, 10,000 hours. Well, for other suppliers, the laser tube only used for 3,000 hours. Okay, 3,000 hours. Okay. And this is a protection function of our CO2 laser engraving cutting machine. So normally when the machine is working, we need to covered machine. Yeah, covered machine. Well, if we suddenly open the machine, yeah, the machine will stop working. Okay, to protect the operator's will. Also, well, for the other suppliers, they don't provide this kind of design. Yeah, another one is the water chiller. Yeah, water chiller is water cooling machine. Yeah, so we use the CW5000 and the CW5200 water cooling machine. So it has a very good cooling effect. Okay, and also have low noise and low power consumption. Yeah. While for the other supplier water cooling machine, the cooling effect is not very good, and also it has a loud noise. Yeah. Okay, so there are this is some advantages of the CO2 laser engraving cutting machine. Okay, now let's have a look about the machine parameters of the PEDK 13090 model. So the working area is 1,300 by 900 millimeters. Yeah. So we name it 130 and 90. So this is the model name is based on the working area. So for the laser power, we can choose from 60 watts, 80 watts, 100 watts, 120 watts, and 150 watts. Okay. The laser tube is hermetic and detached CO2 laser tube. Okay. The engraving speed, it can from 1 to 1 meter, 1 to 60,000 millimeters per minute. Yeah, and the cutting speed is 1 to 10,000 millimeters per minute. Okay. So the engraving speed is quick, yeah, more quick than cutting speed. Cooling mode, cooling mode is water cooling, water cooling and protecting system. Hello, hello, hello everybody, welcome. Yes, and the control software is a professional radar laser engraving and cutting software used. Yeah, so for PEDK 9060, also we'll have many different kind of model. Thank you very much, Heva. Thank you very much for your likes. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay, so for the Edward. Hello, my dear friend. Welcome. For the PEDK 9060 model, the working area is 900 by 600 millimeters. Okay. What is this? What is this? This is CO2 laser engraving and cutting machine, my dear friend. Okay, wait, let me show you the working video and also this machine. Here it is. Yeah, this is CO2 laser engraving cutting machine. It can cut and engrave on all kinds of non-metal materials. Non-metal materials such as the acrylic. So this is the acrylic cutting. Big thumb up. Just like this. It's very thick acrylic. And this is the bicycle on the wood board. I also have this one. bicycle, and also this is leather cutting rubber. Yeah, and also on the paper material, paper card. You can make it for card, and some other material, acrylic cutting, leather cutting. Yeah, and also bamboo, and also you can see the rubber, and also make the acrylic. Yeah, cut all this part. You can see all of those parts are done by this machine. Yeah, so it will assemble it at last. Yeah. So now do you understand what is it now? It's a machine, CO2 laser engraving and cutting machine. It works on many. Hello, Paul. Yeah. So it works on many different kinds of non-metal materials. Yeah. And even on this clothes, right? You can see on the clothes there are many holes and flowers cutting. So now do you understand what is it? What's it? Hello, Hema. Thanks very much for your following. Thank you. I've followed your live stream. I'm looking forward to your content. Thanks very much for your following. Thanks very much. Hello, Paul. Thanks. Welcome. Yeah, this is the machine. Okay. So even all kinds of non-metal materials, yeah, can be cut or engraved by this CO2 laser and engraving cutting machine. Yeah. And all the cutting surface and the cutting edges are very smooth. Yeah, very smooth. It's very comfortable when we touch it. Hello, Williams. Hello, my dear friend. Welcome. You can see it has a very engraving and cutting speed, right? Okay, so this is the CO2 laser and engraving cutting machine. Yeah, and also we have many different kinds of models, yeah, with different working area. So just now this model, you can see it has a 130, no 130, 1,300, yeah, 1,300 millimeters by 900 millimeters working area. Okay, yeah, and also we have some other working areas such as this model PEDK 9060. So this model, the working area will be 900 by 600 millimeters, and and also this model is the second model is what we discussed just now, and another model PEDK 130 180. So this model, it has another bigger working area. The working area will be 1,300 millimeters by 1,800 millimeters. Okay, and also another model PEDK 130 250. So this model, the working area will be 1,300 millimeters by 2,500 millimeters. Okay, so all the laser power we can choose from 60 watts, 80 watts, 100 watts, 120 watts, 150 watts. Yeah. And this is hermetic and detached CO2 laser tube. Yeah, laser type. Yeah, we have two different kind of working cutting platform supported. So one is the thick strip working table. So this one is for some heavy and hard material, yes, such as the PVC board. And also for another one is honeycomb, just like honeycomb working table. So it's for mainly used for some relatively soft material, for such as the cloth. Yeah. Okay. So this is the this machine. Yeah. This now we have discussed. Okay. Yeah, just now I played the working video for you. Yeah, so you can see the machine's working process on different kind of materials. Antonio, hello my dear friend, welcome. Okay, so this is the all the introduction about the CO2 laser engraving and cutting machine. Okay, so I have already finished the introduction about this model. So my dear friend, if you are interested in this kind of machine, please, tell me right now, and I would like to discuss based on any of your ideas and your questions. Okay. So my dear friend, if you contact us in today's live show, I can provide you a good discount. Yeah, later we place order over $7,000, you can enjoy a $100 discount. And while if you place order over $3,000, you can enjoy a $50 discount. And what's more, in today's live show, I can provide you a 24 months warranty time. For normally the warranty time it will be 12 months. Yeah, well, for today, in today's live show, I can even provide you for 24 months warranty time. Okay, so only in today's live show. After the live show, we can warranty time is 12 months. Okay. So, my dear friend, just please, remember to follow us by clicking the button there. You can find the follow button there. It's upside your mobile phone. Okay, you can find the follow button. Okay, so please follow us and subscribe our channel so that you can find us very easily next time for more live shows and for more machines introduction. Okay, and also please give us likes. At the same time, you can find the like button at the right side of your mobile phone. Okay, there is a like button there. So please keep clicking all the time. Thanks very much. Okay, so just now I have introduced the CO2 laser engraving and cutting machine for all of you. Okay, so you can see the CO2 laser engraving and cutting machine. It can works on many different kinds of materials. And right now I would like to introduce another machine for you. Another machine. So this machine is the 3D crystal laser engraving machine. 3D crystal laser engraving machine. Santiago. Hello, Santiago. Hello, my dear friend. Welcome. So for 3D crystal laser engraving machine, this machine is really, and also it's also a very simple and very simple design, simple structure, since everything is included in this machine. Okay. And there is a door. Door, so you can open the door and you can find the engraving head and the working table inside of this machine. And also with the computer there, we install the software into the machine, into the computer, and then we can operate and control the machines for working. You can have a look about the main structure of this machine. And this is the software in the computer there, in the computer. This back side of the machine with a exhausting fan. And this is the inside of the machine structure. Motor and also the axis. Okay, so now I first also would like to share a working video of this machine at first. This is another model. It can works on the crystal. Okay, works on the crystal. You can have an overview about this machine. This is the software, with a computer and a working table, mouse, keyboard, everything is there, so we can operate by them easily. Hello. Hello. Now you can see this is the crystal, crystal material. All colors. You can see this is a window that when we close the door, we can only see through the windows to know the working process of this machine. It has already finished. You can see beautiful, right? This is all those are crystals. Crystal. So It's very beautiful, right? Yeah, with different colors crystal. Yeah, and since it has a holder. Yeah, it has a holder under the crystal. Yeah, this kind of holder. Yeah, or some other holders, and also so we can turn on the light. Yeah, inside of this holder there is a light, so we can turn on it, and then it will change colors. Yeah, to all different colors all the time. So we can see it's very shiny. Yeah, it's very shiny with different colors. So I would like to share some samples for you also. Yeah, I can see this one is a very beautiful flowers. Yeah, can you see? Very beautiful, right? It's a rose. Yeah, so this is a 3D design. Yeah, 3D design. From all the directions, you can see the whole design and the whole flowers there. Yeah, another. It's just like a leaf. This is leaves. Lucky leaves. Well, this one is also very beautiful. Yeah, you can see it's very clear, right? Yeah, it's very clear design from all directions. Yeah, this is a bowl. This is a bowl design, and also another bowl. This is the map Earth. Wow, very clear. You can see. Yeah, very clear. Yes, very good. And also some other. So for this machine, you also mix the 3D and also 2D design. Okay, now let me show you the comparison between the 3D and the 2D. Okay, so this is also a portrait. Yeah, this is one of our colleagues. So you can see this is the 3D design. Then this is the front side. Yeah, left side, back side, and also the right side. Yeah, it's the right side, front side, left side, back side. Yeah, front side, left, front, right. Yeah. So this is the 3D design. So for the 3D design, from all the directions, you can see the whole image very clearly. Yeah. While for the 2D design, only it's only a full. Okay, sorry. So see, this is the 2D design. We can see only from front side and also the back side. Well, when we see it from the left or the right, it's only like just a piece of paper, right? It's a line. It's a line. Well, the 3D is not. Well, for 3D, yeah, you can see all directions. It's a full. It's a complete. Complete. Yeah, complete. Yeah, it's complete. Yeah, I show you the 2D, okay, 2D front. Yeah. So you can see the left side or right side is just like a line, while only front and the back side is complete. Okay, so this is the different. This is the comparison between the 2D and the 3D. Okay. So 3D is more vivid. Yeah, it's more vivid. I would like to show some more for you. Okay, crystal, beautiful crystal design. Yeah, all those can change different colors with a light holder under this crystal. Yeah. So it will be very beautiful. Yeah, and very vivid. Okay, this one is a little heavy. Okay. Well, this one, oh, I like this one very much. This is the tower, yellow crane tower in our city. Have you ever been there? Have you ever been there? This is the yellow crane tower. You can see it has a very complicated design. Wow, very clear. Yeah, from all directions. This is a 3D design. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So this is very clear, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, and also I like this one very much. This is a running horse. Very good meaning. Running to the beautiful, bright future. Running horse. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay, so another one, yeah. Another one is very cool. I also like this one very much. It's a car. Mm-hmm. Hi, Miram. But it's a car, very cool, right? Mm-hmm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So this is a sample display. Okay, sample display. Yeah, and also it can make some keychain, just like this small one. Wow. Very cute. Very cute. Yeah. Very cute, right? Yeah. So recently the doing is very popular. We can also make this make this kind of design for it. Yeah, and also it can mix for the medals. Yeah, number one. Yeah, number 1. Can all make these medals, and also the trophy wall. This trophy is a 2D design, and you can see the words. yeah, trophy. So it can works on all kind of many different shapes. Yeah, square one, the round ball, and some other designs. Okay. So this is the 3D crystal laser engraving machine. Okay. And I would like to show you the working video once again. Please enjoy. Snowman, Merry Christmas. This one. So during the working, we can only see the green lines. Yeah. Through this window. Wow, beautiful one. Colorful. You can change the colors automatically. So very beautiful. I like it very much. Yeah, so you can see it can engrave those different kinds of designs here. Yeah. This is semi-round, square, and different shapes. Hello, Lord. Hello, my dear friend. I usually this kind of this crystal design. Yeah, crystal design. And you can see at the last. Beautiful crystal design. Do you like this kind of crystal design? Oh, careful from all directions. Okay. So for the 2D or 3D CO2 laser engraving machine, yeah, it can carve the portrait, name, footprint, yeah, trophy, yeah, and add some other personalized gift, souvenirs, and also for the mass production of 2D or 3D animals, plants, buildings, vehicles, ships, aircraft, and other models of products, and a 3D scene display. It's widely recommended for use in some scenic sports, photo printing shop, wedding photography, tourism, souvenirs, and personalized gift shop. Can be used in some customer sites and some contemporary activity. Yeah, it's suitable for tourism, hotels, galleries, photo studio, advertising, and some other customized industries. Okay. So now let's take a look about the machine details. Yeah. From the out structure, we can see this is it's very simple design. Well, inside of the machine, you can see all those parts are inside of the machine. Yeah, it's internal structure with a marking head, engraving head. This is a step motor, I think. Yeah, and this is the movement platform. Oh, back. Hello, my dear friend. Welcome. Yeah, so this is imported stable aluminum material, special platform. So it's especially used for engraving for some heavy holding. Yeah, this is the guide rail. Yeah, guide rail. We'll keep the engraving head will moves on this linear guide rail smoothly. And this is inside the axis and also the motors. Yeah, so in the machine it has the X, Y, and the Z axis, and also each axis with the motors to make sure the high precision. Yeah, high precision. And you can see the Y axis, and this also axis motor inside of the machine. Also the axis and the motors. Both screw transmission. It's a working table, so we put the crystal on the working table. Yeah, we put the blank crystal on the working table, and then we have our design on the engraving software. Yeah, and we can we can control the operation by the computer. Yeah, you can see this is the design on the software, and also this is the working result based on this design. Okay. Well, we also have another extra with a 3D camera. So yeah, with this 3D camera, we can take the photo of anyone. Yeah, and then make their portrait. And then we use the 3D crystal engraving machine to make a crystal design. Yeah. Yeah, you can see this is the portrait engraving with 3D camera. This is the working result. Bad. My dear friend, seems I see you once again. See, I've seen before. So by adding a 3D portrait camera, the 3D, and then the 3D camera will take a photo of the human, and then cooperate with the 3D crystal design machine and engraving machine, and then it can make a crystal portrait at the last, just like this one, right? Yeah, just like this one. I'll show you. And this is the portrait. And also this one taken by the 3D camera, and then engraved by this 3D crystal engraving machine. Yeah, and also this type of the machine also uses the air cooling laser system. so it will increase the speed of engraving and also it has a very good stability. Okay, suitable for the large shopping mall. So this machine we can put it on the shopping mall, yeah, and also to the tourist resorts, and also at a place with a very large population, to make some personalized portrait production, yeah, to make some personalized craft, yeah, gift. Yeah, so this one just now, this model is the A1 model, okay, DPA1. So max frequency is 5,000 hertz. The focal length will be 120 millimeters. The max speed, the engrave speed, can reach to 5,000 points per second. Wow, it's very fast. For this machine, yeah, the total weight will be 150 kilograms. Okay, the weight for reference. And we use the air cooling system. Yeah, so for A1 and A2, yeah, you can see the frequency difference, and also the max range support split. Okay. Hello, Glenda. Hello. Okay, now let's take a look about this product features. Yeah, at first it has a very high speed. It's only take 1 to 2 minutes to finish the engraving for 50 by 50 by 80 millimeters size crystal. Well, 50 by 50 by 80. Okay. Yeah, number 2, good engraved quality. Yeah, just now from the sample you can see each sample has a very good engraving quality after engraved. It has a very high resolution. Yeah, it's very clear. We can see the results very clear and very beautiful, especially with the colorful light. Number 3 is the imported air cooling system, so it's stable and easy for maintenance. Number 4, non-touches engraving process ensures the surface of the crystal lens keeps its original shape and quality. Yeah, so you can see, yeah, even after working on it, the crystal is complete. Yeah, there's no damage. Number 6, free of maintenance. Yeah, all the laser equipment. Yeah, laser equipment is free of maintenance. This is a very good. Number 7, it can takes the 3D picture of the human. Yeah, with a 3D camera, it can engrave a real person. Yeah, real person to form a 3D image. I just now show you. Okay, so my dear friend, this is the introduction about the crystal 3D engraving machine. Yeah, so if you are interested in this kind of machine, please remember to contact me and discuss with me. Okay. So if you contact us in today's live show, so later when you place order over $7,000, you can enjoy a $100 discount, and while if you place order over $3,000, you can enjoy a $50 discount later. Okay. And also in today's live show, we can provide you a 24 months warranty time. This is really a very good chance, right? Okay, so next I would like to share another model, PDP-C1, yeah, C1, C0's model for you. Okay. The directions almost almost the same, but only the structure, yeah, the design a little difference. Okay, this is the C1 model. Please have a look. Yeah, this machine during the working process, we close the door and then we can only detect the working process through the windows. Well, it will finish soon. You can see this video is original speed. Yeah, we didn't speed up. So this is original speed. You can see, in fact, it has a very quick, very fast engrave speed, right? Everything fabulous. Everything fabulous. Welcome. Okay, we hope everything will be fabulous. Yeah, through during the machine's working, we only see the green lights. Yeah. While after, you can see this is the real person portrait, 3D portrait for 3 persons. Okay, that's great. Okay, my dear friend. Yeah, you can see some other samples here, right? Do you want to see the samples once again? I would like to share some of it. Okay, some of it. Yeah, this one is very good. It's a 3D real person portrait from different directions. Okay. And this one I like it very much. It's a yellow brick tower in our city. Very good scenery there. Yeah, you can see from each directions it has a very clear engraving. And also I like this running horse very much because it has a very, I think it has a very good meaning. Running to the future, running to the bright future. Yeah, very beautiful, right? And also I like this car very much. I would like to share with you this way. So yeah, so all those are 3D design. Okay, 3D design. Yeah, and also make the medals. Trophy. Yeah, very clear words. Okay, crystal is heavy. Yeah, so you can see that. Yeah, and also some round. Yeah, some round design. And I would like to show map Earth. Very clear, right? Okay. So for this 2D or 3D crystal engraving machine, it can engrave to your 3D portrait, footprint, trophies, and some other personalized gift souvenirs. Yeah, so it can be used for the scenic sports, photo printing shop, wedding photography, tourism souvenirs, and personalized gift shop. Suitable for the tourism, hotel, galleries, photo studio, and advertising, and some other industries. Okay, now this is the internal structure. Yeah, the internal structure almost the same with the A1 model. Yeah, internal structure. This is the movement platform. And also the guide wheel. Make sure the engraving head moves on it smoothly. Yeah, axis and the motor. Y guide, Z axis motor. Yeah, X and Z axis motors. Old school transmission. Working table. Yeah, working table put on the crystals. Yeah, on the working table before it start working, and then we close the door. This is the image we are going to engrave. Yeah, so on the software. And this one, yeah, this is the working result based on the software. Okay, so and also with the 3D camera just now, you see that. Take a real person. Take a real person's photo with a 3D camera, and also event. Thanks for your inquiry. And also the with the 3D crystal engraving machine, yeah, it has a very good engraving result, just like this. Yeah, you can see the engraving is very clear. It's very clear. Yeah, this is the 3D camera. Okay. So for the C1, C2, you can see the average life is more than 20,000 hours. Yeah, and also the max frequency is 5,000 hertz. The max range support, yeah, it's 100 millimeters by 100 millimeters by 100 millimeters. Okay. So the C2, okay, the C1, C2 has a smaller range. Yeah, you can see. C2 is 100 by 100 by 120 millimeters. Okay. Well, for the A1, A2 model, A series model, it has 400 millimeters by 320 millimeters and 150 millimeters. Okay. Well, so for the C1 C series model, it has relatively light weight, only 75 kilograms. Yeah, only 75 kilograms. While for A series, it has 150 kilograms. Yeah, this is the weight. So C series is relatively smaller than A series. Yeah, from the machine size, you can see the machine size for A series is 800 by 900 by 980 millimeters, while for C series is only 500 50 by 650 by 850 millimeters. Okay, so for the crystal engraving, 3D crystal engraving machine, the product features, yeah. Number one has a very high speed. Yeah, it will take 1 to 2 minutes to engrave a 50 by 50 by 80 millimeter size crystal. And number two, it has a very engraved quality. It has a very high resolution, yeah, and even for those very complicated and complex design, it has a very clear engraving result. Number three, the air cooling laser system. Okay, number four, no damage and no influence to the original crystal material. Number five, small volume. Okay, it will take a very small place, so it's very suitable for the shopping malls and other scene spots and tourism. Number six is freedom of maintenance. Okay, number seven, it can take the 3D picture of the human body, yeah, and then engrave with this as a crystal design. Okay, nice. Everybody, please enjoy the working video once again. Okay. Yeah, this is a C series model, so it has a relatively smaller design. Mark has. Welcome, all of you. Welcome. During the working process, we only can see the green light there. Okay. It will finish soon. So it has a very fast engraving speed. Yeah, only 1 to 2 minutes. Yeah, 1 to 2 minutes, and then it will still. Yeah, this is the different from the different direction. You can see the different design, different display after engraving. So we can see it from the software. Okay, so after it finished, we can see the working result, just like this. Okay, very nice, right? Okay, so my dear friend, till now I've already finished the 3 models description and introduction. The first model is the CO2 laser engraving and cutting machine. Okay, so to cut all kinds of non-metal materials such as the paper, wood, bamboo, and cloth, acrylic, etc. And well, the next 2 models is the 3D crystal engraving machine. Yeah, so it can engrave on the crystals, or with any design. So my dear friend, if you are interested in those kind of machine, please remember to let me know. Okay. Yeah, if you are into this, if you contact me in today's live show, I can provide you a very good discount later. So when you place order over $7,000, you can enjoy a $100 discount. And well, if you place an order over $3,000, you can enjoy a $50 discount. Okay. Well, and what's more, in today's live show, I can also provide a longer warranty time for you. So the warranty time will be 24 months warranty time. Okay, it's really a very good chance, my dear friend. Please hurry up to catch the chance. Okay, so why choose Perfect Laser? Because Perfect Laser have more than 20 years history of the laser machinery experience since 1995, so more than 20 years history till now. Okay, and all of the machines have got CE, ISO, RO certificate. Okay, let me show you some of our certificates here. And this is the RO certificate. And the CE certificate. Yeah, with the CE RO certificate, it means that our machines comply with the European standard. Yes, it's really very safe to buy from us. And also this is the Golden Supplier Certificate, verified by the SGS company. So as you know, SGS is a well-known international inspection institute. So through SGS verified, you have no worry to buy from us. And each year we have thousands of our machines exported to more than 180 countries all over the world. Yeah, and during the shipment, we will offer you the free VCD training and also offer you a very long lifetime after sales service. Okay, and then since we have a very talented team, so we can provide you a 2 hours quick response and 24 hours after sales service. So anytime, anywhere, we are online and we are ready to answer any of your questions and reply any of your inquiries and any of your information. Okay. Yeah, and each year we have got very good feedbacks and reputations from our customers. Okay, so my dear friend, at last I would like to share the working video of each machine once again. Okay, so during this time, please remember to follow us by clicking the follow button there, so you can find us very easily next time. And for more live shows and also for more introduction about more machines. Okay, so this is the CO2 laser and engraving cutting machine. You can see, yeah, it engrave and cutting on many different kinds of materials, such as the leather, yeah, and paper, acrylic, bamboo, wood, yeah, cloth, etc. Okay, and rubber and plastic. Okay, so this is the CO2 laser and engraving machine, and also I would like to share 3D, 3D A1. I like A1. Okay, this one A1. I like this very much. After engraving, you can see the result. Yes, this is the 3D crystal laser engraving machine. Okay, crystal engraving machine. Yeah, so we will offer you, we'll install the software, the engraving and this engraving software into the machine. So when you receive it, you can operate very easily. Yeah, this machine is a fully enclosed one, so during the working process we can only see through the window. Okay, and then till now we can see it. It's already have finished half of it. Calmly. Hi, my dear friend. Welcome. Yeah. Right now you can see this is the 3D crystal laser engraving machine's working video. Yeah. It works on the crystals. Yeah, crystals. To make any design and to make some personalized craft and souvenirs. Yeah, you can see with the light different colors, so it's very beautiful and colorful, and the colors can be changed. Well, okay, that's it. Very beautiful, right? Okay, so besides the CE ISO role certificate just now show you, you can see all of our products have got many other certificates each year. Yeah? So it proves that our machines really have a very good quality. Yes, it's really very safe to buy from us. Okay. So my dear friend, are you still in? If you are still in our live show, please remember to click the follow button there. Yeah, my dear friend. You can find the follow button upside to your mobile phone. Yeah, so this is the follow button there. Okay, follow. Please click it. Okay, so subscribe our channel so you can find us very easily and you will not miss our live show next time. And also, please give us likes. Yeah, and the right side button. Please click the like. Okay, thanks very much. Okay, so my dear friend, if you are still have some questions about the CO2 laser engrave and cutting machine, or you have any ideas about the 3D crystal engraving machine, please catch the chance, to ask me right now. I would like to give you a few seconds or a few minutes to answer your questions. Okay. Okay, so my dear friend, if you don't have any more questions right now, later you can also contact us anytime. Okay, so till now, our live show is almost drawing to the end. Thanks very much for your time with us, and thanks for joining us. I hope you can enjoy our live show, and I hope you can get some ideas and you can get some information and get some understanding after my introduction and about our live show. Okay, so my dear friend, please, you can also visit our website to see more introduction and more working video about the machines. Okay, and also at the last, please remember to click the follow button there. Please click the follow button to subscribe our channel. So I hope to see you soon. Okay, so at the last, I see so many of our friends. Okay, welcome, Alan, Yuka, so many new friends. Okay, so my dear friend, I hope to see you next time. Please remember to click the follow button, and then we can meet you soon. Okay, so my dear friends, so much for today. See you next time. Okay, goodbye.